The Reashy Hotas mount is designed for flight simulation enthusiasts who want a more immersive and comfortable flying experience without investing in an expensive cockpit setup. Built with a durable aluminum construction, this mount aims to provide a stable platform for your joystick and throttle, helping eliminate unwanted movement during intense flight sessions. Whether you're flying commercial airliners, engaging in combat missions, or exploring space simulators, a solid mounting solution can significantly improve control accuracy, and that's where this product stands out. One of the first things you'll notice about the Reashy Hotas mount is its sturdy build quality. The aluminum frame feels strong and reliable, while remaining lightweight enough for practical everyday use. Unlike many plastic alternatives that can flex under pressure, this mount maintains excellent rigidity, giving users greater confidence when making precise flight inputs. The robust design helps reduce vibrations and unwanted movement, allowing for smoother control during critical maneuvers. Installation is another area where the Reashy Hotas mount performs well. The mounting system is designed to attach securely to most desks, providing a firm grip without requiring permanent modifications. This makes it a practical choice for users who want a dedicated flight simulation setup while still maintaining a functional workspace when not flying. The adjustable clamping mechanism accommodates various desk thicknesses, adding flexibility for different gaming and office environments. Comfort is an important factor in long simulation sessions, and this mount helps position controls at a more natural height. By lowering the joystick and throttle closer to where they would be in a real aircraft, users can enjoy a more ergonomic setup that reduces strain on the wrists and shoulders. This improved positioning can make a noticeable difference during extended flights, especially for dedicated simulation fans who spend hours in the virtual cockpit. Compatibility is another strong point. The mount is designed to support a variety of popular HOTAS systems, making it suitable for users with different flight control brands and configurations. This versatility allows sim pilots to upgrade their setup without worrying about major compatibility issues. The adjustable design also makes future hardware upgrades easier to accommodate. In daily use, the stability provided by the Reashy Hotas mount can transform the overall flight simulation experience. Precise inputs become easier to execute, aggressive maneuvers feel more controlled, and the entire setup gains a professional appearance. For users transitioning from desktop-mounted controls, the improvement in immersion is immediately noticeable. Overall, the Reashy Hotas mount delivers an excellent combination of durability, stability, comfort, and adjustability. Its aluminum construction, secure desk attachment system, ergonomic positioning, and broad compatibility make it a valuable addition to almost any flight simulation setup. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance realism or an experienced virtual pilot seeking better control precision, this mount offers a practical and effective upgrade that can elevate your flying experience to the next level.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.